All right, welcome to Friday Briefing. Our sign language interpreter is William Sealer. Now, the High Court has stripped the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission chairperson of powers to have the final say in the announcement of the presidential poll results. A three-judge bench has instead granted the constituency returning officers powers to announce the final presidential results. Opposition leader Raila Odinga has saluted the court ruling.
The United Nations Special Rapporteur Maina Kiai, together with the Khalif Khalifa and Tirop Kitur, had sued the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission (IEBC), as well as the Attorney General, over the contentious subject of who holds the final say in the declaration of presidential results. The petitioners questioned the law that gave IEBC powers to verify presidential election results announced by the returning officers at the constituency level. High Court judges Weldon Korir, Agri Muchelule, and Enoch Chacha Mwita made their ruling after listening to submissions from both the petitioners and IEBC legal teams.
It is declared that the presidential election results declared by the constituency returning officer are final in respect of the constituency and can only be questioned by the election court.
Consequently, the section of the Elections Act that gave IEBC the mandate to verify and confirm and even vary presidential election results submitted by returning officers at the constituency levels has been declared unconstitutional, null and void.
The Commission by itself or through any of its officers cannot at the National Tallying Center or elsewhere engage in any exercise of confirmation of the results declared by the constituency returning results.
Opposition leader Raila Odinga supported the court ruling.
The announcement by the returning officer at the constituency is final. There's nothing like another super returning officer sitting in Nairobi somewhere doing any tallying.
Declaration of presidential results has been an emotive issue in Kenya. The Isaac Hassan-led IEBC was kicked out of office due to credibility concerns on how it managed the 2013 polls, especially the presidential tally. Even with the new IEBC led by Wafula Chebukati, it would appear credibility concerns is a matter the Commission is still grappling with. The National Super Alliance NASA had insisted it will have a parallel tallying center for the presidential results from polling stations, with IEBC chairperson insisting the final verdict was the preserve of the Commission.
So the result from the polling stations can be picked up by the media and announced simultaneously, the way they do it all over the world. And we are also, that's our agreement also with the IEBC. We will be picking it from the polling stations and tallying for our own record.
In the past, IEBC has insisted that results sent to the National Tallying Center are provisional and temporary and ought to be verified before they are announced to the public.
The declaration and issuance of a certificate by the constituency returning officer means that the results certified by the returning officer for each presidential candidate in respect of that constituency are final and can only be challenged in the Supreme Court in an election petition.
We are glad that the High Court, a three-judge bench, has confirmed that the results of our presidential elections, once announced at the constituency by the constituency returning officer, that result is final.
Jambo ambalo limetuleta sisi hapa, hatupendelei election yote ije na kuwe na mauaji. Period.
Patrick Amimo, KTN News.